Welcome to our second full song lesson. We're going to be looking at Hound Dog by Elvis Presley, which is a really fun song, but it can get very fast. So let's make sure we have all the chords down. We should have a C chord. Remember, third finger on the first string. Then we should have our G7 chord. Slide third finger, add first finger on the second string, add second finger on the third string. Should make that little triangle shape. And now we're going to add our new chord, F. Let me get a little closer so you can see. For the F chord, you're actually going to take away your third finger of the G7. So leave this in position. Take this away. Now you only have two fingers. Now you're going to take your second finger. It's going to move one string closer to you on the fourth string. Goes up. And this is how you have the F chord. Take a moment to double check that you have first finger on the second string, second finger on the fourth string. There should be an empty string in between and after. Here's our F chord. Let's go back and forth between the G7 and F, just to make sure we have it. Move back to the G7 chord. And then move to the F chord. Take your third finger away, move your second finger towards you. Now let's try moving it from the C chord. Here's our C chord. This one you're just going to have to let go and remember where those other two fingers went. First finger, first fret, second string, second finger, second fret, fourth string. Great. Well, for the song, we're just going to practice it line by line. Start with the C chord, and you can look on your packet where you can see the actual strum marks are counted for you. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Now let's try going to the F chord. Remember, two fingers. First finger, second string, first fret. Second finger, fourth string. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Let's try that all again. Start with the C chord. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Now for the hardest part of the song, we're going to go to that G7 chord. You ain't never caught a rabbit in you. Now go to the F chord. Ain't no friend of C chord mine. Let's do that second part again. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit. You ain't ever caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Good. Let's try the whole song on just the single strums, and then we're going to do it all over again with the double time strums. 1, 2, ready, here we go. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't ever caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said you were high class. Well, that was just a lie. Yeah, they said you was high class. Well, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't ever caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Now we're going to try doing the double time down up. I actually like to do it just with my index finger now because we're going to be moving so fast. But you can still do down, thumb, up, index. Or the new way. I'm going to do it with just my index finger for the whole song. It's a lot easier when you go fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't ever caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said you was high class. Well, that was just a lie. Well, they said you was high class. Well, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't ever caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Hey, great job today. Keep practicing and we'll see you next time.